Okay, so I'll go to this Whirlpool cooker range, or hob, or whatever what you call them, extractor. And this one you get into it like with these two front clips by the looks of it. That's it. And if you look around it, you got your motor, that looks like your filter, and there's your light bulb. So it should just unscrew. Right. That's it. Just trying to look at the size of it. I don't know what size it is actually, but I'll take it with me. Obviously, you just screw your new one back in and then replace it. Make sure you don't cross thread it. That nearly went in cross threaded then, you see that? So make sure it's straight and not cross threaded. Right, I'll take this one and get a replacement and refit it. Easy to do on these.